Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial, and today we're going to be learning about the song This Is What Being Cheated On Feels Like by Clinton Kane. So first up, just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be playing this to you guys as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. So all in all, for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be the D minor chord, it's going to be like this. Then the C major chord, it's going to be like this. It's going to be the A minor chord, it's going to be like this. Then it's going to be the B flat major chord, it's going to be like this. So when it comes to playing the D minor chord, just basically just going to be playing the 5th fret on the A string, 7th fret D string, and 7th fret G string. As for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be dead strings right here on the lower E string, high E string, as well as the B string. It's the same thing right here for the C major chord, but we're just going to be moving it from the 5th fret to the 3rd fret. So that's going to be dead string, 3, 5, 5, dead string, dead string. The next up is going to be the A minor chord. It's going to be like this. Basically just going to be barring the 2nd fret from the D string to the G string. As for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be dead strings on everything else. And we're going to be using our 3 fingers right here to create that dead sound for the rest of the strings. Then lastly, it's going to be the B flat major chord. It's going to be like this. Same thing right here for these chord shapes as well. So it's going to be dead string, 1, 3, 3, dead string, then dead string. Okay, and as for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. And now for a closer look for strumming, it's going to be like this. Down, down, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Now make sure to put this part of your palm right here on the bridge of the guitar to create that specific sound. So for example, with the D minor chord. Because if you don't, it's going to sound like this. So make sure that you put this part of your palm on the bridge to create that specific sound. Yep, so it's going to be. Yep. So all together now with the chords as well, it's going to be like this. Yep. Doing this also emphasizes the accented strums as well. So what I'm doing here is just as you strum, you're going to be putting pressure on it. Then as soon as you create that strumming, you release the tension as quick as you can. Then release, then release, then release. Yep. Yep. And once you do it fast enough, it's going to sound like this. So all in all, it's going to be like this. And don't try to perfect the tone or the notes too much, because that's part of the appeal, I think, when it comes to playing this song anyway. It's kind of like those perfect imperfections when it comes to playing these types of songs anyway. Kind of adds more to the acoustic feel or the vibe of this song when it comes to playing it. So yeah, don't sweat it out too much. It sounds good the way it is. And with that said, the entire strumming pattern is worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, and as for the chord progression that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep. So first up is going to be the D minor chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. Then C. Then A minor. Then B flat. Yep, then after that, pretty much we're going to be repeating that exact same chord progression for a total of 18 repetitions from start to finish of this song, and that's basically it for its entirety. So once again, D minor chord for 4 counts. Then C. Then A minor. Then B flat. once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this part of the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed this so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And you'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other Clinton Kane guitar tutorials and content, just click these ones right here. So all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.